Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x80070057, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution would be is to sync the date and the time of the system. So we do that by right clicking on the start button, looking at settings, going to time and language, clicking on date and time, and we'll make sure that both these buttons set the time zone automatically, set the time automatically is clicked in, and we will sync, right? And this should resolve the problem. If that doesn't resolve the problem, then we can do a check disk scan. So how we do that is we look for command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and type in the command chk dsk space /f space /r and press enter, and press yes and press enter, and that should fix the issue. If not, then we have to try a disk cleanup. We can do that by looking for disk cleanup, click OK, and we need to tick the boxes. Tick all these boxes and click OK. Delete files. And once this is over, your errors should no longer appear. If it still does, then the last and final option would be a malware scan, because malwares can cause such errors. And we do that by searching for virus and threat protection. Click on this and look for scan options. Now, let me tell you one thing. If you already have a third-party malware or an antivirus installed in your computer, then it will show here that you have a third party installed on your computer. So you need to do the malware scan or the antivirus scan from the third party software. But here I have the stock virus and malware protection from Windows pre-installed. So I will click on scan options, full scan, and I will perform a scan. And this should solve the issue. No, the error shouldn't appear again. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.